Now, once you have that pants pattern traced out, you want to go ahead and take your fashion ruler. Typically, when you draw these lines, you want it to be straight. All I want is a front flap that goes straight down the front. And it will fall in place like it's supposed to. So I'm going to draw a very raggedy line just so you can see it. After you cut out your pants pattern, you want to trace it. Okay, so here is the line, my little raggedy line that I drew, just so you can see it. And then I'm going to cut out this piece so you can see what your fabric piece is supposed to look like. So now that we've done that, now here's a demonstration of the actual front flap that you would have on the front of your pants. You're just going to cut it to the middle seam of the pants. And as you can see, when you lay it down on top, if I could get it even, meets right towards the front in the middle where the pants fall with the front flap. You're going to use some heat bond to press it down if you have a very loose or stretchy knit fabric like I had. And you're simply going to fold it over and then bond these pieces together right here. Or you can do a blind hem stitch all the way down from here to here, and then also on your hem. You could do a blind hem stitch, or you can hand stitch it together, or you could just do a regular stitch down the front off to the side at the bottom for your hem, however you do it on your pants. After that, you want to take your measurements, and you also want to make a waistband, then cut it out. After you cut out your two pieces, you want to cut your waistband out on your fabric's fold, or you can cut it straight across according to your measurements. That's something that is all over YouTube. You can find how to do a waistband, and you preferably want to make it on a curve so that it fits your body perfectly. If you have any more questions, let me know.